It is National Drug Take Back Day this Saturday, and law enforcement and local organizations are asking people to get rid of old prescriptions and other drugs they don't need anymore to avoid them falling into the wrong hands.
KapKV's Emily Goodell spoke with the Yakima County Sheriff's Office and Triumph Treatment Services about why it's so important to dispose of old drugs and how to do so safely.
The extra meds in your cupboard might not seem like a big deal, but if they end up in the wrong hands...
Worst case scenario, somebody dies. They have an overdose or they have an adverse reaction to the medication that they thought wouldn't happen to them.
It could happen to anyone.
Little kids or teenagers who might be curious to what these drugs are for or what they might do.
Or a friend or family member with an addiction.
We don't know how widespread that problem is, right? Because substance use disorder and mental health issues, they're not always visible. We mourned and recognized the deaths of 98 people in 2021 from overdose.
Keeping the medication you do need in a lockbox or safe can help, but getting rid of old meds is a must.
It's not good to throw them into the garbage because we don't need those types of medications in the landfill.
Flushing them down the toilet or sink can contaminate water, soil, and fish. But on National Drug Take Back Day, you can give up the prescriptions you don't need anymore, or even street drugs, safely with no questions asked.
We don't even need to see it. It could just be in a grocery bag. You throw it in the thing and leave. We're not going to ask you what it is.
No liquids or needles allowed. But from there,
they're taken away and they're all incinerated at a federal facility.
All to keep people safe.
To get as many prescription medications out of homes that people don't need anymore, so that there won't be an incident of somebody overdosing or dying needlessly. We just want drugs and prescription drugs off the street. And this is a safe way to do it.
In Yakima County, Emily Goodell, KapKV Local News.
The Sheriff's Office and others are hosting Shreds and Meds at the Valley Mall Saturday. Plus, Yakima Community Coalition is also taking back medications at Catholic Charities locations in Yakima.